Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cut this jackfruit easily. Even though some people say it is hard, we are going to show you an easy hack of how to cut it easily. And South Indian jackfruit are very hard to cut and open. But the South Indian jackfruit is very sweet and yummy, but it is very hard to open. So today we are going to show you how to cut it easily now. So you guys just watch how we cut it because I don't know how to explain this. See how perfectly and beautifully they cut it without even a sweat. I tried this jackfruit. It was very sweet and yummy. It was the best jackfruit I have ate in my life. And again, I don't know how to explain that part, so you guys watch that one. You can see how beautiful and good we cut it. Now you guys should also try this hack. It is not hard. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.